Working on the 2UZ-FE engine. Doing the water pump, timing belt, tensioner, pulleys, everything down here. Everything. Water pump, make sure your surfaces are clean. Got everything out. Crankshaft pulley bolt was a pain in the butt. Got a video on that. Crankshaft pulley was a pain in the butt to get off. Replace that O-ring right there. We'll have an O-ring in here. One trick I do is put some dielectric grease on the O-ring here, and then when you slide it into, it's on your water pump, you'll slide it into here. Put some dielectric on that too, because you don't want the O-ring to roll over as well. But let me show you what I'm going to use to replace all the components. Got the AISIN, or some pronounce it AISIN, TKTs-021. For those of you who cannot read, made specifically for the 2UZ-FE engine. Comes with your water pump, timing belt, TBK instruction card, gasket kit, hydraulic tensioner, idler bearing, and tensioner bearing. This is an awesome kit. I highly recommend anybody doing a timing belt, whether it's a Honda, a Toyota, always get an AISIN timing belt component kit. Comes with your instructions if you guys want. Let's see. Look at those. Pause it right now if you need to look at it. Then they continue on the inside, so. There you go. Okay. First thing we got is an awesome bitchin' water pump. Brand new. AISIN. The multi-layer steel head gasket. Multi-layer steel gasket. Okay. This is the tensioner. NTN tensioner. Bearing. Another bearing. Made in Japan, baby. Made in Japan, baby. New hardware. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are probably the water pump bolts. New timing belt by Mitsuboshi. It's not Mitsubishi. Great. This belt is awesome. Whatever you do, do not crimp this thing. Comes with the marks that you need to line everything back up. There's the last mark. Comes with a sticker. Fill out your mileage and your date. What does this say? Water pump, attention, the surface shown below does not use paper gasket. It uses FIPG, form in place gasket. Please read below. So there you go. Do not bend this part coming out. Oh, okay, cool. So there's the O-rings I was just showing you guys. Like I said, put some dielectric grease on there. This is your multi-layer steel water pump gasket. Do not put any RTV, no FIPG, no Toyota seal pack, nothing. Alright? Goes in just exactly like this. Dry. Just make sure your surface on your engine block is nice and clean. And I'll put links down in the description below where you guys can pick this up on Amazon. But yeah, if you guys are gonna go down and do this whole job, don't just do the belt. Do everything around it. Do everything correctly. You don't want to go back in there for any reason, and use a high quality kit. Stay away from Gates. Gates is junk now. It has been for a long time. Stay away from Gates.